Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some vintage style interior decorating ideas. Let's start the video. Vintage style interior decoration is a timeless and charming design approach that brings nostalgia, warmth, and character into a home. It celebrates craftsmanship, history, and well-loved furniture and accessories that tell a story. Rather than simplify a space with old items, vintage decorating is about carefully crafting features that create a cozy, inviting, and elegant atmosphere. How defines vintage style interior decoration? Incorporates furniture from the past, pieces that are 20 to 100 years old, or vintage inspired reproductions. Use soft, muted color palette, gentle pastels, faded hues, and warm neutrals. Eased and distressed finishes, furniture with chipped paint, ornate oud or patina. Classic textiles and patterns, floral prints, lace, gingham, shawl, and embroidery. Elegant and delicate details, ornate carvings, carved furniture, antique mirrors, and vintage glassware. Cozy and lived in feel, layered textures, soft lighting, and sentimental decor pieces. Vintage style is flexible and can be mixed with farmhouse, Shebetic, French country, or retro influences to create a unique home aesthetic. Different types of vintage styles: romantic vintage, Victorian and Edwardian influence, 18th to 19th centuries. Use elegant and feminine with a delicate touch. Lace, floral prints, velvet upholstery, and antique gold details. Uses ornate candeliers, decorative mirrors, and vintage perfume bottles. Next, rustic vintage, farmhouse and cottage influence, 19th to 1940s. Cozy and worn in with a country charm. Used distressed wood furniture, animal and open shelving. Used messengers, gingham fabrics, and antique kitchen tools. Next, Art Deco vintage, 1920s to 1930s. Glamorous and sophisticated with geometric patterns. Gold, brass, and mirrored furniture with bold colors. A sleek velvet sofas, crystal lighting, and Hollywood-inspired accents. Use mid-century vintage, 1950s to 1970s retro, playful and colorful with a modern twist. Use funky patterns, thick furniture, and atomic style designs. Use bright colors like mustard yellow, teal, and avocado green. Key elements of vintage interior decoration. Vintage furniture. Vintage furniture adds an instant charm to a space. Distressed oak tables and cabinets, aged painted or raw wood. Stuffed sofas and velvet armchairs. Elegant and luxurious setting. Metal and brass bed frames. classic for a vintage bedroom. Repurposed items, old trunks as coffee tables, ladder shelves, and vintage suitcase for storage. Vintage color palette. Soft muted shades define vintage interiors, like neutrals, cream beige, teal, warm white. Pastels, shades green, plus pink, powder blue, and soft yellow. Street jewel tones. For a bold vintage look, emerald green, deep burgundy, mustard yellow, or navy blue. Vintage patterns and textiles. Classic vintage homes features a mix of texture and patterns, floral and botanical prints, wallpaper, upholstery, and curtains. Gingham and tile, classic in country vintage and cottage decor. Lace and crochet, used in curtains, tablecloths, and bedding. Vintage lighting. Lighting plays a huge role in setting the mood. Crystal candeliers adds a romantic, old-world feel. Table and floor lamps with fabric shades, soft, warm lighting. Industrial or brass pendant lights, ideal for vintage kitchen. Vintage decorative accessories, antique mirrors, gilded, distressed, or carved out frames. Use old books and typewriters. Adds a scolaring, nostalgic touch. Vintage clocks, radios, and cameras, classic decorative items. Porcelain and china display, elegant dishes in cabinets. Rustic storage, wooden cradles or baskets, vintage suitcases. Vintage decorating in different rooms, vintage living room, floral or velvet sofas as statement pieces, distressed coffee tables with lace tireless or vintage trays, layered textiles, crochet throws, vintage rugs, and soft cushions. Vintage kitchen, retro and inspired appliances, cream, pastel, or chrome finishes. Use open shelves displaying old dishes, glass jars, and antique cookware. Checkered wood flooring or rustic wooden countertops. Vintage bedroom, metal bed frame or tufted headboard for a nostalgic feel. Antique vanity table with a mirror and perfume bottles. A soft floral bedding with lace trimmed pillowcases. Vintage bathrooms, clawfoot bathtubs for a luxurious touch. Porcelain and brass fixtures for a timeless look. Vintage storage jars for bath essentials. Vintage entryway. Use a console table with a distressed finish. A vintage mirror or framed botanical prints. Open baskets for storage and an antique coat rack. Where to find vintage decor, thrift stores and flower markets, affordable and unique finds, antique shops, authentic but often pricier. Online marketplaces like eBay, Facebook Marketplace. Another estate sales and auctions, great for rare treasures. Tie and upcycling, revamp old furniture with top paint and distressing techniques. How to mix vintage with modern decor if you don't want an all vintage home. Blend vintage pieces with modern elements. Use vintage furniture with modern decor, a classic wooden dresser with minimalist artwork. Stick to a simple color scheme. Keeping a neutral or pastel palette prevents clashing. Mix textures and materials. Rustic wood paired with sleek metal or glass. Limit patterns. Too many florals or prints can feel overwhelming. Why choose vintage style? Timeless and elegant. Never goes out of style. Budget friendly. Many vintage items can be thrifted or dyed. Eco friendly. Upcycling and repurposing reduce waste. Personal and unique. The two vintage homes are the same. Cozy and nostalgic. Creates a warm and inviting atmosphere. Vintage style interior decoration is about telling a story through design. Whether you want a romantic, rustic, elegant, or retro look, vintage style offers endless ways to express your personality and create a beautiful, timeless home. Vintage style interior decoration is a design approach that embraces old world charm, timeless elegance, and nostalgic beauty. It blends antique furniture, classic patterns, and delicate details to create a home filled with warmth and nostalgic. Vintage style interior decoration is about creating a timeless, nostalgic, and charming atmosphere by incorporating design elements from the past. It makes antique furniture, soft color palettes, delicate fabrics, and decorative details to bring warmth and elegance into a home. This style is not just about using old things. It is about creating a space that feels personal, collected, and full of history. Each vintage home tells a story through carefully chosen furniture, classic accessories, and well-loved heirloom pieces. Characteristics of vintage interior decor: well-worn and aged pieces, furniture with distressed finishes, faded paint, and natural patina. Soft muted color palette, neutrals, pastels, and vintage-inspired hues. Classic and elegant patterns, florals, tile, lace, gingham, and embroidery. Romantic and cozy atmosphere, layered textiles, warm lighting, and sentimental decor. Antique and repurposed furniture, vintage trunks, ordered cabinets, and metal bed frames. Mix of eras and styles, Victorian elegance, rustic farmhouse charm, or retro 1950s influences. This style is flexible, allowing you to mix of different periods and aesthetics while maintaining a unified, nostalgic look. Vintage furniture. Furniture in vintage homes is often curved, ornate, and full of character. Use distress oak tables and cabinets, chipped paint and raw oak finishes, tucked sofas and velvet armchairs, elegant and luxurious setting. Metal and brass bed frames, classic for a vintage bedroom. Repurposed items, old drawers as headboards, vintage suitcases as decor. Vintage lighting, soft warm lighting enhances the romantic and nostalgic feel. Crystal candeliers adds elegance and old world charm. Tables and floor lamps with fabric sets, provides a soft glow. Industrial or brass pendant lights, ideal for a vintage farmhouse kitchen. Vintage accessories and decorative pieces. Small details bring character and warmth to a vintage home. Antique mirrors, gilded, distressed, or cut out frames. Old books and typewriters, perfect for styling shelves or coffee tables. Vintage clocks, radios, and cameras adds nostalgic charm. Porcelain, china, and glassware displayed on open shelving. Rustic storage, oven cradles, or baskets and vintage suitcases. Vintage style interior decoration is about telling a story through design. Whether you want a romantic, rustic, elegant, or retro look, vintage style offers endless ways to express your personality and create a beautiful, timeless home. Whether you want a fully vintage home or just a few nostalgic touches, this style offers endless ways to express your personality while creating a beautiful and comfortable space. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.